Jobman integrates seamlessly with your cloud file storage and accounting software packages. Select Cloud File Storage from the Settings menu. Check the driver is correct and that the base directory reads Jobman files. Click on Connect to Dropbox. You will now be redirected to the login page for your cloud file storage. Follow the instructions and select Allow for the Jobman app to access your account's files and folders. Return to the Settings menu and select Accounting. Click on Integration and then select Connect to Xero. You will now be redirected to Xero. Follow the instructions, confirm that the Xero organization is correct, and then click Connect to Jobman. You connected your cloud file storage and synced with your accounting software in just a few minutes. Remember, help is always just a click away on the user menu panel. Simply type your question to search for what you need. Here is where you will find all the answers and documentation to guide you. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest content.